Here's how to make a PDF searchable using Adobe Acrobat. All you have to need, open the PDF in your Adobe Acrobat. And here we can see this is a scanned PDF or scanned document. Now just press Ctrl F. Here you will find this find option. Now just type here anything and then click on next. And here you will find or see this alert, scan page alert. This page contains only an image. Would you like to run text recognition to make the text on this page accessible? Just click on yes and yes. And then your scanned PDF document will be converted into a searchable PDF. As you can see, now search is working. So that's how you can actually make a PDF searchable using Acrobat.